So we, in this problem, they're instructing us to multiply these two polynomials. And what I like to do is use the FOIL technique. And you may have seen this in my other video, but this is a good way to remember what you want to do when you multiply terms like this. So with all the problems in this video, I would recommend that you pause them and just do it on your own, and then we can compare answers once you're done. So FOIL is, so the F stands for first term times first term. So we'll do the first term of a first polynomial times the first term of the second polynomials, plus the O is for outer. So we'll do the outer term of the first polynomial, 4x, times the outer term of the last polynomial minus y, plus I is for inner. So multiplying the inner terms of both polynomials. So -1 for the first polynomial and 4x for the second polynomial, plus so last, the L here stands for last, so multiply the last terms of each polynomial. So -1 times -y. Okay, cool. So then we multiply these out. So 4x times 4x is, so that's 16x squared, because this is just the same as 4x squared. Minus, so 4x minus y is minus 4xy. And then -1 times 4x is just minus 4x. And -1 times -y. So if you multiply two negative numbers, you get a positive number. So this will just be a y. And it looks like, yeah, we cannot do any further simplification. So this here is our correct answer. Okay, so just be careful, because some of these answers kind of look like this. So let's move on to another question. And again, we will, you can do it any other way, but I prefer to use this technique, the FOIL technique, because you'll always remember it. So the F is for first, so multiply the first term, the first terms of each of these polynomials, plus the O is for outer. So we multiply the outer terms. So this is this times that, times positive y. And then we do the I, which is for inner. So we multiply the inner terms of each of those polynomials. So minus y times x, plus the last terms. So L is for last. So we do -y times positive y. Okay, so this is -y times positive y, if you're having trouble seeing what I did there. Okay, so now we just work things out. So 3x times x. So we just put the 3 up here and multiply this by that. X times x is x squared. 3x times y is just 3xy. And -y times x is just -xy. And -y times y is just minus y squared. Okay, so it looks like we can simplify this by just subtracting 1xy from 3xy. So this will be 3x squared plus 3xy minus xy is 2xy. This minus y. Okay, so do we have a candidate for answer? So it sure looks like this here is our correct answer. And be careful, because a lot of these answers look pretty similar. Okay, let us do one last one. Okay, so again, I like to use the FOIL technique for these problems. So FOIL is first term times first term. So it is 2x times 3x plus outer term times outer term. So that's 2x times negative 2y plus I for inner term times inner term. So it's negative y times 3x. And then the L is for last. So we want to do plus last term times last term. So negative y times negative 2y. Okay. Yeah, negative 2y. Good. So then now we just want to work out what these are. So 2x times 3x, that's just going to be 6x squared. 2x times negative 2y, this is going to be negative 4xy. And negative y times 3x is just negative 3xy. And negative y times 2y is going to be 2y squared. Okay, cool. So can we simplify any of these any further? It looks like we could combine these terms because they have xy in common. So we bring down the 6x squared. Negative 4xy minus 3xy is just minus 7xy. And we bring down the 2y squared. Okay, so then we go ahead and look for the correct answer, which will be this guy in this case. So I suggest you redo these problems and look out for practice material in the comment section, in the description box, my bad. And I'll see you in the next video.